Okay, so let f of x equals x cubed minus 1 over x squared minus 1, and g of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 1 over x squared minus x minus 2. And if f of x is divided by g of x equals a plus b, find the value of a and b. Okay, so I'm going to write it out. I'm going to write down x cubed minus 1, which is over x squared minus 1, which is f of x, and we're dividing it by x squared plus x plus 1 all over x squared minus x minus 2. So I'm going to sort out this idea of the fraction initially. So to divide fractions, we change this to a multiplication and we turn the second fraction upside down and multiply. Now, before we multiply, I'm going to sort out a few things. I'm going to factorize a few parts. So I'm going to look at the x cubed minus 1. So I want to factorize that. So this is called the difference between two cubes. Okay, so the difference between two cubes is x cubed minus y cubed. This is the formula: x minus y, x squared plus xy plus y squared. So x cubed minus 1 can be wrote as x to be cubed minus 1 to be cubed. So that's what we call x, and that's what we call y. So if we sub it in, that would be x minus 1, x squared plus x, because I'm multiplying 1 by x, you get x, and square root of the y, which is 1. So that's the answer for this. Now I need to factorize x squared minus 1. This is the difference of two squares. So how do you do difference of two squares? Well, you get the square root of each of them, and you put them into two brackets, x minus 1 and x plus 1. So that's this answer. Now if you look at this one, x squared minus x minus 2. This is guide number. So the guide number here is minus 2x squared. Factors of 2x squared is 2x and 1x. I want minus x, which is minus 1x. So that's minus 2 plus 1. So substitute that in. Okay, and factorize it. You get factors of x plus 1, x minus 2. So that's this answer. So I'm going to substitute all those in. So this answer here, I'm going to replace it with x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. This underneath the bottom, I'm going to replace it with x minus 1, x plus 1, multiply by. For this, I'm going to change that to x plus 1, x minus 2. And on the bottom, actually you can't factorize that at all, and if you tried, you wouldn't be able. Now these are all multiplied together, okay? So this is multiplied by the top, the bottom is multiplied by the bottom, okay? So therefore we can cancel things top and bottom. That'll cancel with that. That'll cancel with this. This will cancel with this. So the actual answer is x minus 2. So it simplifies down, and that's equal to ax plus b. So a then must be equal to 1, and b must be equal to minus 2. So there's my two answers.